Okay, look at here in these type of questions. This is a dice type question, and here the flag of USA is not placed adjacent to that of UK. It means they are not adjacent. It means USA and UK, they have to be opposite. Their flags have to be opposite. USA is opposite to UK because they are not adjacent. In cube related questions, either they are opposite or adjacent. If they are not adjacent, they have to be opposite. So USA and UK are opposite from the second statement. From the first one, flags of Brazil and China are adjacent to each other. It means Brazil and China are not opposite to each other. Yes. So China is not opposite to Brazil. China is not opposite to USA. China is not opposite to UK. So China will be opposite to either India or France. China will be opposite to either India or France. So if I look at the option A and B, out of these two, one has to be right. Out of these two, one has to be right. But similarly, if I look at the option C here, flag of France is adjacent to that of India. Well, flag of France is adjacent to India. So USA is opposite to UK. Brazil is not opposite to China. So China is opposite to India or France. So flag of France, in that case, India and France, they cannot be opposite. India and France cannot be opposite because Brazil is not opposite to China. So India and France, they are not opposite. It means India and France, they have to be adjacent. So if I look at here, the better answer, if I look at here, no doubt, A or B, or it can be option C also. A or B, or it can be option C also. Here I think some structuring problem is there. Here I will go by the the dice theory. So all the three options, A or B or option C, could have been a better answer. Okay, that's